How to kill Campanula. Creeping bellflower Campanula rapunculoides is an invasive campanula perennial that spreads with rapid ease and can take over underground root systems, causing widespread damage in lawns and the home garden. With deep, horizontal roots and abundant seed production from 3,000 to 15,000 seeds per plant, eradicating campanula is a process that requires repeated efforts. Though campanula flowers probably will not bloom in turf grass, their invasive nature and dense, leafy growth can overtake a landscape if left uncontrolled. Things you'll need: long spade, gardening gloves, protective eyewear, lawn mower, herbicide. Dig up campanula plants with a long spade, removing as much of the long, fleshy root as possible. Dig to a depth of at least 6 inches and dig outward to remove as much of the root system as possible. Spray campanula in a home garden with the herbicide glyphosate, a non-selective chemical that kills all plants with which it comes in contact. Spray directly onto the campanula, avoiding contact with surrounding plants. Avoid spraying in the wind. Apply with a small, handheld spray bottle or wipe it directly onto campanula for controlled use. Wear protective clothing and eyewear when using glyphosate. Employ the use of an herbicide containing the active ingredient dicamba, if you prefer to use a broadcast application. Dicamba selective chemical will kill campanula without damaging the lawn. Apply herbicides in late spring or early autumn. Always refer to the instruction label on the package for specifics on your brand of product. It might take several applications spread over 10 days apart if new growth develops.